World TV. Today we're making homemade Sicilian cavatelli from my region of Italy. And we're also going to be cooking them with a beautiful broccolini and sausage sauce. Che bello che sei con questa giacca! Take us through the ingredients.
So we have 200 grams of semolina and 100 grams of water, and that's the only ingredients we need to make cavatelli. So for the sauce we need a broccolini, 1 bunch, 3 sausages, 1 glass of rosé wine, a little bit of salt, pepper and olive oil.
Alright, Chef Rigo, are you ready? Step 1 to making cavatelli.
So it's the same recipe as the orecchiette, so you probably already saw it in our video. So we just add the water in the flour like that. That's for 2 people, so it's 150 grams in total per person. And it's a bit too much, but
I mean, I thought you weren't eating. That's just for me then.
So use 100 grams of flour per person, because after when you try them you want more. So our cavatelli dough is nearly ready. We can move it out from the bowl and knead it a little bit. Alright, so you can see we have our dough. We're gonna in a bag like that, so it doesn't get dry, and we just leave it to rest.
We let us for 20 minutes. So we're just going to turn on and start to boil our water, which will be used to cook the cavatelli. Now we can start on our sauce while our dough is resting.
So we get the sausages.
Removing the skin.
So we just break them a little bit.
So we've got our hot pan, we're going to add olive oil.
We want to give some color to the sausages, so we're going to have a very hot oil.
So oil's hot enough, we can add the sausages. We're going to cook these until they have a nice colour. Now we're going to chop up our broccolini.
So I love to cook the veggies in the microwave because it's the best way to cook veggies when you don't want to overcook them or to make them lose the color. So I'm just gonna put them like 3 minutes in the microwave. They're gonna stay nice and green. They're not gonna lose any vitamin or mineral salt in the water or anywhere else.
Pop them all in the bowl.
And it's easy, very easy.
Quickly give them a bit of a stir so they look good.
Break some pieces so there are some nice big, some small ones. Now the sausages have a nice color. I'm gonna salt them a little bit. Add the wine. And I'm gonna add
Nice pepper. So we're going to cook this until the sauce reduces, which will probably take about 5 minutes. Alright, so our dough is ready. Chef Rigo can start showing us how to make the cavatelli.
So to make the cavatelli, we're gonna cut a little piece like that. Okay? And this one, we're gonna keep it inside the bag so it doesn't get dry. And we're going to make a little sausage.
Cutting it,
Cut it like that.
then we roll it back with putting pressure on the knife.
And we have our nice cavatello. See?
So, as you can see, you would have watched our orecchiette vlog. This is a similar process, except we're not opening up the pieces, we're keeping them closed.
That's the original way. So just with a table knife and a wood board. You can do it by hand if you like. So just press like that. And you have the cavatello by hand. If you want to have a shape or whatever, you can use a cheese grater. You just roll it like that. So as you can see, it has a little holes around. Okay. In my case, I bought a cavarola board just for cavatelli. So you can have a nice shape, as you can see.
Cool! As you can see, you need to make sure that you're pressing hard enough so that the pasta is stretched, because otherwise if it's too thick like this one, it takes a long time to cook in the water. And we don't want an angry Michaela because we know how upset she gets when she's really hungry, correct?
Oh, Michela.
Ah! I'm hungry! I think what I do is I do it over the board and you do the flat one, so we have a nice combination of texture. What do you think? I do the same way. So now now all of our cavatelli are ready. So we've got a nice combination of both cavatelli made with the board and with the knife. All right,
So we're
let's do it.
gonna salt more water, like always. Don't have to say it anymore.
You guys just know that we always put salt in the water.
Always good salt. So here we have our cavatelli. You guys are gonna chuck them in the bowl.
And they're gonna cook for around 12 minutes.
If you see that you didn't press enough and they're still thick, just cook them for 15-18 minutes.
So as you can see, it's only been a couple of minutes and the cavatelli have already started to rise. They're not the same as gnocchis when they rise that they're ready. These actually still have to cook while they've risen to the top of the water. In the meantime, we're going to start to cook our broccolini.
Microwave. Bowl. Over it.
We're cooking them for 3 minutes. So it's actually a really quick and easy sauce that you can make with any type of pasta. Okay, so they're looking good and we can now put this back on heat while we wait for our broccolini. And now that this has heated, we can add the broccolini.
So as you can see, they are super green, nice, and they are cooked. I hope it does.
Is that your little secret?
Quickly toss to mix through the sauce, and now we can add the cavatelli.
Gonna toss and make sure it's all mantecata. It's all mixed together.
We're gonna add a little bit of oil to help the mantecatura.
And we're gonna keep mixing it once we've got the oil in.
We can turn it off and do a nice mantecata. As you can see, without putting any cheese or butter, it's super creamy because the starch of the pasta and the water and the oil mix together.
Beautiful. Okay, now we're ready to plate it up.
I have a little bit of goat cheese that I'm gonna add on top.
Optional put cheese on top and we're gonna add it. And that's it, a beautiful plate of homemade Sicilian cavatelli with a sausage and broccolini sauce. So now you know how to make homemade Sicilian cavatelli. So now it's time for us to go and eat our lunch. I'm super hungry and I'm having the one with the goat cheese on top. Okay. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, The Chef's Girl, so you can keep an eye out for our next upcoming vlog.